Alright, so we've reclassified the IMR. Now let's reclassify the DALE. At this point, the screen looks like it did after I reclassified the IMR with all the lows first, then the mediums and so forth. And if you look over here, those were my columns I had made for the analysis of variance. I just shoved them out of the way. So now, same idea. I want to highlight everything, go up here to data. I want to sort. This time though, instead of by IMR or reclass IMR, I want to sort by the DALE and say OK. And so again, these are now in order, the DALE. So here I'll put in reclass DALE. That's a little tight. I'll make that just a little bit wider. Okay, and so I look here at DALE and I see, okay, these are starting out at low, and again they're going to be low until 40. So there's a 39.8, so those are all low. And then now I see a 40.7, so that's medium. And I pull down here, and this one was at 60. So again, now 60 exactly is a high, so I'm going to put medium and then high. And so that's going to go the rest of the way down. And so I come down here, all the rest of the way, those are all high. Okay, and so there I have the low, mediums, and highs. Now I need to count them, and so I'll probably do something like I'm gonna do DALE this way and put in the high, medium, and low. And then this direction, I'm going to do low, medium, and high. And these are for the IMR that way. And so what I need to do is fill in these 9 spots with the numbers that are low, low for both low IMR, medium DALE, low IMR, high DALE, that sort of thing. And so again, I'm going to take advantage of the sort and just highlight these. I think I'll sort, so I go in here and I say sort. I'm going to sort by the reclassified IMR first, and then after I sort by that, I will sort by DALE. And so I can sort by 2 things. First the IMR, then the DALE, and I'll say OK. Now this has one strange thing in that it's sorted by alphabetical order. So I've got my highs here, then lows, and then mediums. And I suppose I could rename these things something like, A low, B medium, C high, if I wanted them to go, work that way. But I can still count them like this. So here are the highs and lows. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit 1, 2, and highlight those and copy it down until I get a break. And okay. So high IMR, low DALE, there were 13, and I can see that. Okay, so now here, I can count them just by looking at them, but I'm going to put the 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. So this is high and medium, so there are 4 there. Then now I have low and high. And so again, I'll do 1, 2 like that, and highlight that, bring it on down until I get something different. This is the biggest one, I guess. and it looks like I have 103 of those. And so that was low IMR, high DALE, so 103 of those. Okay, now I'm not going to finish this for you, but so there's the idea. And then once I fill that in, I have a 3 by 3 count table that I can put into my as a contingency table for chi-square test of independence to get a p-value from these numbers. Now again, part of the reason I went low, medium, high here with the IMR this way is that IMR is on the x-axis and it goes from low values to high values. And then the DALE is on the y-axis. I plot that with the y-axis, and it goes from the bottom being lower values to the top being high values. And so the numbers I see in here should kind of reflect my scatter plot. So the fact that I see 103 where this is low and DALE is high, I should see in my scatter plot a whole bunch of dots up in the top left-hand corner, and so that helps me know I'm probably doing something right. Okay, and so you can fill the rest of this in and do your contingency table with the chi-square test of independence and go from there.